What's up, y'all? It's your boy Supreme the Car Guy coming at you with another one. I need you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and here we go. Today we're going to have fun with this one. Um, this is going to be some Russian road rage reaction that I'm doing. It's going to be some Russian road rage stuff. We're going to just have a little fun, bro. Actually, my lady asked me to start doing some more Russian road rage videos and stuff because she's from Russia and she was like, yeah, put some more of them up because I did one a long time ago. But yeah, we're gonna do that. We might make a day. We might make a special day to where it's just gonna be that the Russian road rage day or something like that. You know what I'm saying? So to all my, if I have any Russian people watching, this one's for you. Okay, let's get to it. Boop. Check it out. Oh, we got an axe. You got an axe with it. Uh-oh. He still want to pull up. He like, man, fuck that gun. And he's still pulling up to his bumper. Yo. Cuz fired a shot and dude still pulled up. Like, that's ballsy. They must be, dude shooting up out the window on the freeway must be taking a play out of the United States playbook or something, because I didn't know they get it in like that in Russia. Like, really, I didn't even know they was armed like that in Russia, because I was told you're not allowed to really have guns unless you're hunting or hunter or whatever. But obviously that was not true. So let's keep going. Let's see what happens. Again, we in Russia with it. So anybody from Russia, chime in. Let me see you in the comments. And he got a crack in the windshield already. Dude hopped out with the cigarette hanging out his mouth. Damn, they be out in Russia. They be hopping out wanting to smoke already. They be having the heat ready for you. Dude doing the right thing though. He backing up. I don't want none of that. Look at this. How you gonna get through there? I wouldn't even try to get through there. Yo, he got a whole. Yo. I don't think you want to follow a dude off the exit with a gun like that hanging out. Turn that down a little. I don't want to copyright.
Чат efendim, çat. No. Aha.
Uh-oh. There you go. He like, who won it? Who won it? I ain't even gonna lie, that song sound dope though. I don't understand what it's saying. Again, I had to turn the music down a little bit because I don't want a copyright, but maybe my lady could chime in. I don't understand what that song's saying, but it sound dope. I guess, something to ride to, you chilling. But while you listen to that dope music, you hoping nobody hop out with no heat ray to put a bullet in your ass. But let's keep going. It seems like everybody getting out with a gun. No matter how old, no matter how young. Yo, I'm gonna be real with you. I'm gonna need more people from Russia in that chat, in that description. Sorry. What is it with every time somebody hop out of that whip, they got some heat, they got a gun in their head? Is that how it really go down over there? And what what city is this in Russia? Is this St. Petersburg? Is this Moscow? Is this Novosibirsk? Please let me know before, I don't want to get, I wouldn't be driving around and all that ruckus. So anyway, that looked like a lot of shit to be driving around in, bro. Like, I wouldn't even attempt to do it. It don't look like it could be Moscow. I don't know. Excuse me. But somebody let me know what part of Russia is this? What city is this? Because I was told you're not armed like that out there. Anyway, let's keep going.
Опа, нихуя себе.
Wow. Oh, they're trying to push your car. That's a camera view. Yeah, he like, yeah. Damn, wow. Damn. His car ain't gonna be worth shit after that, bro. You better have some good insurance. Hey, yo, yeah. Over there in Russia, they gonna risk everything to let you know. Don't you pull up here blowing your damn horn at us again. Don't you do it. You gonna get it.
Опа, нормально.
He's still pushing this car with.
Нормально.
He must know he not gonna use that gun. He like, man, motherfucker, you ain't gonna use that shit. Get out of here. Wow. It really go down like that over there. They just standing. Yo, hold on. Oh, I gotta stop this real quick. know what's crazy about this? Everybody just standing around watching them run up and down the goddamn street shooting at whoever. Like, nope. Like, if that was some black people, everybody would be running. It would be nobody standing there. You know, even Hispanic people, everybody be out. It would be nobody waiting. They just like, oh, okay, you know. Let's keep going. This is crazy. He like, yeah, he about to use dude in the pink as a shield. Dude in the pink need to get the F up out of here. Look at this shit, bro. He just stand in the background like, yo, you go, yo, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Shoot his ass. Shoot him. Look at this. What kind of game are they playing? Yeah. Now, look, man. That had to be the funniest shit. Like, that looked like some video game shit. Like, oh, shoot him. Like, dude standing on the side just watching these two idiots playing, like, run around the tree, you know. Well, run around the car. But you know what I mean. Anyway, let's go. Uh-oh. Just how it all starts, right here. Why are you in my way? Uh-oh, what are you reaching for? Oh! Y'all let him know. He got the message real quick. Like, I ain't say nothing. Lexus. I'm surprised that's not a BMW doing all that dumb shit. Uh-oh, here comes the gun. He even let him in front with the bus. Uh-oh, BMW. Oh, man. Damn. It goes down. Come on, man. Go make a snowman or something all that damn shoot. Yeah. Yo, what he done said to where they beat his car down like that and shot at him? He must have said some foul shit, bro. Like, he must have really. He ain't just flip a bird at him. He ain't just stick his middle finger up. He must have stuck his ass out the window or something for all that. We're gonna do all that. Yo, man. Anyway. That's it for that. Let me get my take on this. Yo, these Russian road rage videos are hilarious though, because you would never know. I didn't even know they be just shooting at each other like that over there. I didn't even know they had guns like that, but obviously they do. Somebody lied to me, but the lesson of this is, if you're driving in Russia, just mind your business, keep driving. Don't say anything foul. Somebody say something to you and stick their head out the window, just ignore their ass, bro, because it could end in them tearing your shit up with some baseball bats, or shooting you, or shooting your car up, or your ass. So that's the lesson of this one. Anyway, I am out. It's your boy Supreme the Car Guy, and peace.